that's the reality of paps that none of you guys know. I've had so many paid clients who were like, yeah, I don't mind doing it once as a paid. When I'm mujhse puche if we want to have you on page. I think I can say Siddhi and Mitra, I think they look good as a couple.
Yeah.
I don't know if they're dating, but I think they should date.
This is Manmoji evening, and today I feel so privileged. I feel so lucky કે આજે હું એવી વ્યક્તિ સાથે વાત કરી રહ્યો છું જેમને I was used to report કે કોલેજમાં મેમ અસાઇનમેન્ટ્સ આ છે मैम તમે કહો હવે આગળ શું કરું, what we should do, आगे जाके हम क्या कर सकते हैं ताकि हम कुछ बन पाए. And today I am having a conversation with the very first female pap जो एक पैपराजी का आइडिया गुजरात में लेकर आए, और टुडे हम जो देख रहे हैं वहाँ शायद उसकी शुरुआत यहाँ से हुई. दीपाली is the brain behind the paparazzi world, जो आज हमारे पास है गुजरात के अंदर. Welcome to the show.
Hi Hardik, I am so glad to be on your show. I can't believe I'm sitting with my student here.
It's a privilege for me, ma'am, for sure.
It's a privilege too. Like हमने बनाया है students.
Yeah. I feel always proud जब भी मैं कहता हूँ कि लोग बोलते हैं डीसी पैप पे हार्दिक तुम्हारा वीडियो देखा. हाँ वो ठीक है, आप डीसी कह रहे हो, मेरे लिए मैम है वो.
No, I think that man thing has to go.
We have been a part of your journey. We have seen your journey not only as a student also, but now you are one of the finest and the pioneer in the pap world in Gujarat. How that thought came, like how that seed was there in your brain, and then how you started working around it.
Hardik, it was always there when I was a journalist, when I was working as an employee. It was there since then, but it was when my editor said that we don't do something like that.
Okay.
And looked down upon it, and that's when I was like, yeah, I would want to do it. And then in 2020, when I left journalism, I started my own stuff, my own agency, is when I thought that, I want to do something like this. And then COVID hit. So we couldn't do much, and then I moved to Bombay around that time. So I was like, I don't know how to, make the most of the time I've spent with the film industry, and I've written so much about film industry. Like I've given 7-8 years of writing to film industry.
You were in this industry, I guess it's been 10 years before you started the pap world, or introduced Gujarat to the pap world.
Yes. We made the whole film industry look so glamorized on the paper as well.
Yeah.
Because बहुत सारी चीजें हमने create की थी in the just to do stories. If you have to do something around the film industry, what exactly would you do? So you have to think of a lot of ideas, and that regional game was very very on. That regional film industry is good, and they have to be given that kind of a force. So वो वाले level पे हम थे when we were with Times, and that was the era, I would say. In that, itna create kiya, and then after creating so much, when you leave, you wouldn't want to let go of your own work by creating so much. So I always had something in mind that I would want to do something with the industry and with the people that I've met. Not just in terms of film industry, but also entrepreneurs, sports people. I've interviewed so many people, you've known, I've known, and we all know how this journey has been for you and for me. We interview so many people. This is what the film is about. So that's when in 2021, when there is a bit of this thing ki haan chalo abhi sab clear ho raha hai, we can do something. And that's when I saw Viral Bhayani's page also. I was like, and that page was like final nail in the coffin, that let's just get started with this. And wo hua, then I spoke to my mentor, because anything that goes through him. So I spoke to him, I said, and मैंने बात करके जब मैंने लोगो बना लिया, नाम सोच लिया सब, और मैं वहाँ जाके बोल रही हूँ कि ऐसा करना है, हाँ करो, बिल्कुल करो, then सीधा लोगो भेजते कि ये नाम है और ये. So it's like, you've done, then why are you asking? So just wanted a yes. So that when we make something, so ऐसा ना लगे कि ये तो कुछ पूछा ही नहीं है, directly कर दिया. That particular night, Hardik, we came up with our page, with our Instagram page, and I never knew that the kind of response we would get would be so crazy. So the moment I said that DC Paps is now following this DC Paps, so they understood with the name only, and it wrote, the bio wrote, the first ever Gujarati paparazzi page. And everybody started putting it up. I never asked anybody, like how we do now, that we have to ask them, can you please put this on the story? So that time they did it on their own, and all of them, like including Malhar, Aruti, Aishwarya, everybody did it. And they were like so happy about the whole idea. Then coming to the entrepreneurs and sports parks at Patel Area, everybody was like, we were very glad to have something like this. So that's when I was like, okay, now is the
That
time.
smile sees everything, huh, guys? आप शायद देख नहीं पाओगे. Probably you will get the whole interview on our YouTube channel. पर ये जो smile है ना, जो इंसान जब कुछ दिल से शिद्दत से करता है ना, तब चेहरे पर जो एक अलग स्माइल होती है, that I can see right here, right now on the face of Kripali. बहुत सारे सेलिब्रिटीज की आपने बात की and we're gonna talk about it for sure. But before that, see, we all know कि paparazzi is the word which has been derived from the Italian film word, right? कि भाई एक बंदा था जिसका नाम था paparozzio और वहाँ से paparazzi word आया और आज वो डिक्शनरी में ऐसे दिखाया जाता है कि भाई सेलिब्रिटीज का पिक्चर लेने के लिए, वीडियोस लेने के लिए जो बंदा भाग दौड़ करता है. How the team is working, how the paparazzi whole things are happening, and as you said कि शुरुआत में it was like created or you have created certain stories. What kind of creation it was जहाँ से लोगों को अंदाजा हो कि अब ये हुआ, because you are the pioneer. लोगों को आइडिया देना था कि ये ऐसे काम करता है. जो चीजें शायद हम मुंबई के लोगों की देखते हैं, वो चीजें गुजरात में अगर एग्जीक्यूट होगी तो मुंबई की सारी चीज गुजरात में एग्जीक्यूट नहीं हो पाती. Then you have to create certain things. How things happen?
So I'll tell you, not a lot of people were ready for it, including our people.
Okay.
We were supposed to PAP. So I made a list of 10 people. That these people I would want to PAP before I open the page.
Okay.
So that I have the bank of 10 days. Like every day one PAP, let's see how it
Okay.
is. The first 10 days were bad because the kind of response. So if I'm PAPing you, like you're an RJ, so the other RJs, उनका कोई fan group होगा, so they would attack me कि why would you not PAP this person, why would you PAP this? So there was a lot of hatred that was there in the beginning. And that went on like for quite some time, and writing really rubbish things that will come at your place and hit you. And like, yeah, sure, do that. You don't even know it.
You replied that way also?
Of course not. I would not reply. I would just read. I would wake up to such messages and worse than that. But ये सब कुछ हुआ, and after that, धीरे-धीरे when people started enjoying the content, ये पोस्ट किया, वो पोस्ट किया, फिर नीचे देखने लगे, अच्छा ये यहाँ जा रहा है, अच्छा वो वहाँ जा रहा है. पहले हम लोग पैप में ऐसा लिखते थे कि पैप रीजन, where, how, because people were not comfortable talking about where are they. Then what we started doing, हम लोगों ने live पैप start किया कि जैसे ही मिला वैसे नहीं डाला.
Okay.
Because that's the reality of PAPs that none of you guys know. Even when it comes to Viral and Manav, because they have the same data, guys, so they don't put the thing at the same time. They put it at the different timings.
Definitely.
आज मानव ने डाल दिया तो कल विरल डालेगा, और अगर आज विरल ने आज डाला है तो शायद थोड़े टाइम के बाद बाकी सारे PAPs डालेंगे. Because Viral is the guy who actually brings in all the PAPs, then the rest of it. तुम्हारा exclusive PAP होगा, that's a very different story altogether. But because there are so many PAPs there, तो वैसे होता था. वहाँ पे at that time when we started in 2021, we were the only ones who were doing it, and we looked like a foolish in the first 10 days. Then I was like, I don't know if it is right. That's when for like we did it for continued for a month or so. After that, मैंने 5 days का break दिया, and that's when people started calling कि क्या हो गया, why aren't you doing it? And that was my validation that no, people want it.
Yes.
Even if they're saying wrong things about it, people want it. People want to create that kind of a thing about it.
They want to know.
Yeah, and they want the healthy gossip that's going. So then we started improvising, we started writing rest of the things, then we started talking about what they wear, then we started talking about the fashion, then we started talking about the car, then we started talking about the rest of the things, and we started putting price to it. Okay, this is this, इसका भाव इतना है, इसका भाव इतना है. So people get all the more interested. Like, wow, what are you guys doing? And you would, it's not a very difficult thing to put a price to it. Then we started getting marketing, campaigns for a lot of real estate companies, for various events, for a lot of things. When we started PAPing entrepreneurs, when we started PAPing rest of them. So film से कुछ नहीं होता है. Half of the Gujarati film industry is not even known to the Gujarati world. They know.
Ironically true.
Yeah, but they know, but they don't know. It's that kind of a thing. So to create that kind of interest, you have to widen your horizon. Then I started PAPing politicians. Then I started PAPing, and we had elections meanwhile. So I PAPed Amit Shah ji, I PAPed Modi ji, I PAPed a lot Harsh Sanghvi ji, a lot. And then we PAPed Adani ji, and that was like our deal breaker. And it went on and on. There was no looking back after that. And after that, they realized, oh, this is what she's doing. The picture was clear. And
Probably the idea that you had in 2021, वो शायद अब जाके people got it.
22 end हो गया था. So that is when, मतलब it took me 2 years, you can say, 2.5 years to bring into that level. But yes, 2.5 years in vector, and now fabbed to weddings, and how?
I know this.
The team has been out there for everything. You asked me about the team. We have 2 photographers in every city. We are in Ahmedabad, Baroda, Surat, Rajkot. There are 4 cities. We are also there in Bombay. In Bombay, we are very selective about what is happening because there are too many areas and the commute is very, very
But everywhere Gujarati is cinema or Gujarati industry is the core.
Yeah, Gujarati industry in any way. Entrepreneur, sports, whatever. But we're basically focusing on Gujarati and Gujaratis. So yeah.
Common बंदा जब ना ऐसे reels देखते हैं पैप किया हुआ तो मुंबई वाला तो मुझे नहीं पता पर गुजरात में हमने बहुत दफा ये सुना है कि यार ये तो सामने से बुलाया या फिर ये तो होता ही ऐसे कि ये लोग तो उनको सब पता होता है उनको सब पता होता है या फिर sometimes it's called or it's like a created what it is.
Most of the times it's a tip off by the managers only, by the managers of the actors. Sometimes there are actors only because when people have been in touch, people have that kind of a relationship with me. They say that they're going here, so I ask because they are my friends. I would generally also talk to them. So I would just ask them, do you want me to pap you here? I think it's a good place to pap if you're looking nice. So like, why not do it? And then I have a very friendly approach towards it. Rest my team gets in touch. They keep speaking to them, and then we take it ahead. But rest of the times I'm there. Like whenever I have to message, when my team says that they're not answering, so then I have to get in and say, hi, the person was in touch. Do you want to do this? So generally, you have to also ask when are they going out, or ask the managers, or managers also tip off when they have. Most of the times, it's the managers who actually tell you. How would you get to know?
Of course, that's why. क्योंकि मुंबई में शायद ऐसा है कि अगर गाड़ियां से भी लोग पहचान लेते हैं कि ये इसकी गाड़ी है, ये यहाँ पर शायद हो सकती है, शाहरुख यहाँ पे होगा या फिर जानवी यहाँ पे होगी. बट इन गुजरात ये अभी तक उतना माहौल भी उस जोन पर तो हम नहीं पहुंचे कि व्हीकल से हमको पता चल जाए या फिर एट अ ग्लैंस वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि अरे ये तो वही एक्टर या एक्ट्रेस है या फिर ये एंटरप्रेन्योर है. इफ वी टॉक दैट वे, सो नाउ द इंडस्ट्री इज लाइक दैट कि अब there are many paparazzis over there. How do you see the now world? Because why I'm asking you, because you are the one who brought an idea और आपने लोगों को दिखाया कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है, that we can do being a, and of course I would love to know the other thing is being a first female pap, वो एक अलग journey है, but would love to know कि right now how do you see the situation of Indian Gujarat industry?
I have no words, but I was walking into Malhar and Pooja's wedding reception, and I see a big standing out there and like a stage time, and I'm walking through it, and then I realized, oh, there are paparazzi guys. I just thought that it would be me and 2-3 more, and that's that. I walked through it, I passed through it, and then I realized, did I just pass this? And then I looked back, and I was with my friend, and my friend said, do you even know what you created? 17 paparazzi pages standing right there, and they're ready to pap the wedding. I said, yeah, maybe because they get a good traction. I want to see something like this coming on a daily basis.
True.
And that would change the whole scenario. But of course, it's very difficult because I'm very happy that also happened.
True.
And 17 pages, and I actually counted how many people are there. I didn't count my people. So it's like, okay, 20 people are here to pap, and that was never done earlier in 2020 or 2021 or before that also. We had Biryani since a very long time. It's like you have to build something to get people used to it. The best part about Ahmedabad or Gujarat is that they are ready to, accept new things, and so well, and they would love to explore something like that. I've had so many paid clients who are like, yeah, I don't mind doing it once as a paid. Then you know, if you want to have it on page. Because we are very, very picky about who do we want and how do we want. We don't pap anybody and everybody. We are very clear. We're very annoying and we're very small paps.
अब हमने करण जोहर के शो में बहुत दफा ये वर्ड सुना है कि ये ए क्लास सेलिब्रिटीज है, ये बी क्लास है. क्या होता है वो, if you can make us understand that कि exactly what it is.
So I at this point only pap A class. I haven't gone to the B class as
So
yet.
A class means जिसको ज़्यादा viewership मिलता है.
No, जिसका so there are two types of people.
Okay.
There are people जो Instagram पे या social media पे नहीं है. जैसे how Kareena Kapoor was. She was never there on Instagram. But उसके clips जाते
She is always on Instagram.
No, when
Though
she was not. When she was
हाँ,
not,
हाँ,
तब अभी उसने अकाउंट बना लिया.
Yeah.
But जब वो नहीं थी तो उसके रिलेटेड जितने भी clips जाते थे ना, people used to go mad कि किसी के लाइफ से कुछ curiosity
मिल गई.
मिल गई. And then wow, it's like you know the main thing. So that happens, and then when paps pap about it, you like, oh my god, you got to see the first sight of that person because you don't know anything about that person's life. So in the same way, there are two kinds of people. One who there on social media
Okay.
and have a good social media rapport and has a good visibility on social media, जिसकी खुद की fan base है ना, एक वो है. और एक ऐसे है जिनका fan base नहीं है. जैसे अब तुम अदानी जी को पैप करते हैं, अब वो खुद तो अपना अकाउंट मैनेज नहीं करते, राइट? एंड व्हाटएवर he mentions about his work. So when you pap him raw, walking towards the election
बीच में
booth,
election booth पे जा गए थे
so
family
then
के साथ.
that's that, and that got people's attention. So there are two types of people. One you pap and you enjoy the viewership. One you would want people to see.
So you're talking about these A class people.
Yeah, we haven't gone to the B class, and we would take our time to go to the B class also. We do A class and we do A class both paid and free. And then whenever the B class or the C class, anybody would want to make it. ऐसा नहीं है कि they cannot make it, but they'll have to be paid. Our version is very different, and there is nothing like class actually. You understand from the profile, and it's more about. And sometimes even A class, if they've not done anything, but because they have money, they've not packed them. We're very clear that you have to do something to be on DC Paps. We just say this very clearly. It's our tagline. If it is not on DC Paps, it's not famous. So you're not famous until you're there on our page, and you'll not be famous until we've seen you becoming something like that. So you really need to work hard to be on DC Paps.
DC has been always very much clear with her visions. I know her since 2013.
Yeah.
2013. Oh, nice. Moving ahead, अभी आप रेडियो स्टेशन पर आए तो आपसे हमको थोड़ा खेल खेलना पड़ेगा.
Oh my god.
We're gonna play a game.
I'm very bad at spontaneity.
No,
Oh
you
my
can.
God.
ये बहुत ही chill game है. So the game is all about as Fever FM is official radio partner with Arijit Singh live in concert in Ahmedabad.
Okay.
You must be knowing that Arijit is coming in
हाँ यार,
Ahmedabad, of
very
course.
much.
पैप से हम पूछ रहे हैं भाई, इनको तो पता ही है.
तुमको मैं बताऊं flight timings.
Yeah, हम कैमरा ऑफ कैमरा बात करते हैं.
Yeah.
So as you said कि अच्छा सा इंडस्ट्री के लोगों के साथ उठना बैठना है, बातें चीतें होती रहती है. So I'll give you some songs and you have to tell me कि ये गाना किस पे सूट होता है.
Okay.
Very simple.
Yeah.
This is what you can do, right?
This is safe.
I know you can do this, right?
Yeah.
So you have to tell me कि कौन सी पैर पे ये अरिजीत का गाना सूट हो सकता है. For example, the first song is आशिकी 2 से तुम ही हो, क्योंकि तुम ही हो.
I think he took an audience more.
Oh,
Very cute couple.
very cute. और आजकल वो कितने मस्त रील्स भी डालते हैं.
I know.
They look so cute. Agent विनोद से राब्ता. कुछ तो है तुझसे.
I think Aro भी था साथ. Cutie. Though they're not, they're full on Tom and Jerry.
Yeah, they are.
Distracted Tom and Jerry.
Yeah. चन्ना मेरिया from ऐदिल है मुश्किल.
Oh my god.
You can tell. You have to give us some.
Oh god.
चन्ना मेरिया.
We should do this.
चन्ना मेरिया.
If I say this is going to be bad, I would like to pass.
No. There is no scope. चन्ना. उनके बारे में चलो हिंट दे दो बस. People will guess in the comment section.
He's not from Ahmedabad, he's from Bombay, but he's Gujarati. I can't really get it. He's happy.
बर्फी से मेरा दिमाग वहीं पर है कि ये कौन है.
God.
So the song is moving ahead. फिर ले आया दिल बर्फी से फिर ले आया. Will look good. ऐसे दिमाग
Yeah,
में.
this is like getting back to a person that you've broken up. I don't know who is that. Well, I know, but I don't know. I would.
किस पे अच्छा लग सकता है? चलो hypothetically, we are not saying कि reality के हिसाब से. Hypothetically, चलो.
I'm thinking of the couple actors or the couple in Rani.
अगर कपल नहीं है तो भी किस पे अच्छा लग रहा है
अच्छा
कह सकते
वैसे
हैं ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं आई एम मेकिंग इट वेरी क्लियर और इजी फॉर यू
मित्र oh my
But
god
thank you सिटी लाइट से दिस मुस्कुराने की वजह
I think Malhar Pooja आएगी.
मल्हार पूजा
Yeah,
नाइस
yeah, yeah. That's
तमाशा
Malhar singing it for Pooja for sure.
फॉर श्योर
Yeah.
तमाशा से अगर तुम साथ हो अगर तुम साथ हो
Siddhi Idnani.
सिद्धि इदनानी एंड
No. No.
मेरी नजरों में
No.
तेरे सपने
I think I can say Siddhi and Mitra. I think they look good as a
Yeah,
couple.
yeah.
I don't know if they're dating, but I think they should date. I would want to predict that on your show.
देखते हैं हमारा शो यहाँ का
I know, let's
मैनिफेस्टेशन
just hope, man.
क्या बात है अगर ये हुआ तो विल अगेन कैच अप
We'll catch up.
ये जवानी है दीवानी से इलाही मेरा जी आए आए
Yash.
यश रॉय से सूरज डूबा है यारो दो घुट नशे
Janki.
जानकी तो यार इन दोनों को अलग क्यों करते हैं चलो लास्ट एंड यू हैव टू सी द रियल टाइम पैर से जबरिया जोड़ी से पछताओगे
Don't get it now.
हाँ लेट्स टेक इट दैट
जानकी है यश जा नहीं सकते वहां से एक दूसरे से
देख लो ठाकुर पछताओगे थैंक यू सो मच डीसी फॉर बीइंग ऑन द शो बहुत ही मजा आया
Quite a roller coaster, but I just hope it gets out rightly. sorry, Mitra and Siddhi.
it's a part of the कुछ ऐसे
Yeah.
नो बैड इंटेंशन कोई मत इरादा
We
नहीं
just wanted to be married.
एक और शादी
Yeah.
थैंक यू
Thank
Thank
you. Thank you so much.